Welcome to Achieve Your Dreams, Stevie. Thank you for tuning in to another engaging video where we dive into the exciting world of building connections and making meaningful relationships. Today, we'll explore some valuable insights that can help you approach someone you're interested in with confidence and authenticity. Picture this. There's a goal at your workplace that captivates your attention. On another note, there's an individual who not only possesses stunning physical attributes like being tall with flowing locks, but also shines with an incredible personality. The question is, how can you make a connection that truly counts? The answer lies in understanding that sometimes it's not about being out of someone's league or not being worthy of their attention. Often, it's the approach and actions that matter the most. Remember the words of Alex Hitch from the movie Hitch. Any guy can win any girl over with the right moves. Now let's dive into some practical, knowledge-packed tips that can make a real difference. 1. Setting the right perspective. Before anything else, it's crucial to remove the mindset of getting a girlfriend from your thoughts. This shift in perspective helps you avoid trying too hard to impress someone. Instead, focus on genuine connection and compatibility. 2. The art of absence. Ever heard the phrase, "Absence makes the heart grow fonder"? Well, it holds true. Giving someone space to think about you when you're not around can create a deeper sense of intrigue and interest. This balance prevents you from coming across as clingy or intrusive. 3. Active listening and engaging conversations. When engaging in conversations, actively listen to what the other person is saying. Show genuine interest, making them feel valued and heard. By contributing your thoughts and adding humor to the conversation, you create an enjoyable and memorable interaction. 4. Sincere compliments. A well-timed compliment can work wonders. Keep it simple and genuine, focusing on qualities that you truly appreciate. Compliments not only boost someone's mood but also convey your respect and admiration. 5. Rising to challenges. Recognize that some individuals enjoy a bit of challenge and mystery. Don't be too available or eager. Let her know that while you value her, you have other aspects of your life that are just as important. 6. Making the right move. Ultimately, taking action is key. Approach with confidence, maintain eye contact, and offer a warm smile. Engage in a natural conversation, letting your personality shine through. This is where all the pieces come together, from genuine compliments to active listening. And there you have it. These strategies are designed to help you connect with that special someone in a meaningful way. Remember, it's about being yourself, valuing the other person, and making a move with genuine intent. Thank you for joining us today on Achieve Your Dreams, Stevie. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more enriching content. Until next time, take care and goodbye.